Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark Spider Guy here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing. That would be awesome. Today's video is going to be dedicated to a little lad named Chester. I met Chester and his mum Kirsty and dad Paul and a couple of other little kiddies at the Bristol show. Chester did actually gift me a spider. And what an awesome gift that was, because it was my favourite species, which is the Pantherbeetus. It's the Pantherbeetus vespertinus that I'm being moving today out of here. And I'm going to be moving her into a lot bigger enclosure, which is here. Now, I have put the substrate in already. And it is a mix of topsoil and peat moss. So I've done 50-50 of that. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, guys, me being a bit rude. I've just had a drink of Diet Coke, so you have to excuse me with that. Right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera down so you can see what's going on, and hopefully I might be able to do it without dropping the said camera. So as you can see, I've put some substrate in. I have got the hide here. Now it is a cork hide which is going to go just there, so I'm going to put some substrate at the side there and some down the side here. I always like to do this on the enclosures. Right, now just move this over a bit so spread it out. That's that there, guys. Next thing I'm going to do is put the water bowl in. Said water bowl. Now the next thing, because I'm waiting for some moss off there, I did actually get this one, terrarium moss. I don't think much to this, to be honest. I think it's pretty enough, but it'll do for now because it'll help hold some moisture in for this spider. So I'm going to just put that down the side there. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. One can go there. Just pack it down a bit. So now he's got his terrarium moss in. I'm just going to fill that up and give this a quick spray. Now, she probably won't be in that long, to be honest, because my Pantherbeetus all seem to grow really quick for some reason. So, right, the next thing we're going to do is see if we can get this little lady or little boy moved out of there. Now, she is already tucked away in the corner, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just see if I can gently get her to come into the enclosure. Come on, little one. No. Come on. In you go. There you go. That's it, guys, she's in. But the thing I don't want to do is coming back out, so there you go. Now, I don't know if you can see her, guys, but she is just there. See if I can get her to go in the middle a bit. There she is. And that's the Pantherbetus vespertinus. And that was the spider I had gifted off Chester, and what a beautiful spider it is. Chester's an awesome little boy, and this spider I have named after him. I don't normally name spiders, but this one has been named after him. So this one is named Chester too, and what a beauty, absolutely stunning. I am hoping it is going to be a female, but we'll see. But it'll be loved just as much even if it's a male. I don't really care, to be honest. But what an awesome gift off such a lovely little boy. Chester, this video is for you, mate. And thank you so much. Right, I'm going to put the lid on now. And I'm going to put this phone back up so you can see me ugly mush. But yeah, thank you, Chester. You're a little star. And Kirsty, Paul, you've got an awesome little child there. Absolutely stunning little boy. So well mannered, very polite. I can't say enough. Words don't do it justice, Lord, so thank you. Anyway, if you did like the video, thumbs up, ding the bell, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Chester. Thank you, Kirsty. Thank you, Paul. I'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone.